Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a USB port charger right here. For me, I just hang the phone on over this side, so it's easy to have a charger right here that you can plug into the phone, charge the phone. So this piece right here is just basically just clip. See, there's a lot of clip. So all you do is you just pry it out and it should come out. And what you need is you need to buy this one, the USB that fit into here. I will put this link, the link of this USB on this part on the description, so you can get one yourself. And also you need one of those this one right here. This is the one that the jumper into the secret lighter port. So let me show you where it is. If you go on under the car, and again, this is for the 2012 Toyota Sienna. Okay, if you go under here, you see this, the fuse box. So this one is gonna be the secret lighter fuse. Is on the 1, 2, 3, the fourth one right here. The fourth one right here. So basically, and then for the negative, for the ground, I just unscrew this and put it in here. For the ground wire, and then just tap into this with the adapter I show you on this fuse right here. This is the secret lighter fuse. So I'll go ahead and install all that, and I'll show you the finished product. So basically this thing is pretty easy. All you need to do is tap in the back. Just tap on it. Tap on it, and it should come out. See that? Come out. And this one, it fit exactly in there. So that's why you don't have to do anything and it look like it's OEM. And that's what you want. You want everything to look OEM. And it does come with the fuse itself, so you don't have to worry about something happen. So all you do, you plug it in, and it should work. Okay, it's pretty hard to do one hand, but I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. All right. Okay, give me a second. So here we are. So I got everything done. Took that off. See, you got it in, fit in perfectly. As you can see, it's a little hard from the first time you push it in, but trying to push it in as hard as you can, and it should go inside. It should be in, and it should fit. So it's a little tight space, so you need to really force it in to get it all the way in. But after that, it's flush with the panel. It looked like it's OEM, and I'll go ahead and plug that in. You just plug all the clip back in. There you go. Tap in. So everything is back to normal. Again, you can see. Now you got a USB right here. Good, right? And let me show you the bottom piece. Okay, move it down. Okay, so I got the ground wire in here, right here, as you can see. I got the ground wire attached to this screw right here. Or yeah, okay, to this screw. That's a ground wire. And then for that fuse tab, I use this thing right here that I show you. I'll go ahead and put all this thing in the video description, so go and check it out. And if you want to do what I did, and you can go and buy one. It's pretty cheap. So I tap it in and I tuck it back down here, so it look nice and neat, so don't fall down. If you really want to do it, you just get a zip tie right here and just zip tie to one this piece of wire up here, and it should be very stable, and it's not gonna fall anywhere. So it's remember, this is the fuse 1, 2, 3, and fuse number 4. Okay, number 4. So number 4 is a 15 amp fuse. Okay, so that's the one you need, and that's that, and it should be done. And I think this thing lit up, so when you turn it on, so let me turn on the power of the car and see if it lit up. If it's lit up, then it's working. Let me turn it on. See? You can see it lit up blue. That means it's working. See, it lit up blue. So it's working. So that's it. Now everything looks nice and neat. And like I said, all the part is the one I bought is in the part description. In case you need it, go ahead and go in the part description and click on the link, and it will take you straight into the Amazon link. Okay, so that should work. Also, let me show you this thing, right? Okay, some of you might get confused. This thing, they have 2 fuse, right? 2 fuse slot. So one is just for the system itself, and then another one is for this line coming out. This line coming out. So this line is the one we tap on. So if you at home, you only put 1 fuse right here on the first one, then this line would not work. So you need 2 fuse, okay? 1 15 fuse right here, and the other one, whatever fuse you want for your system. Let's say for my USB right here, the USB right here, I only have, because since it's only charged like maybe 5 amp, so put another 15 here, and the original one is 15. So you need to put both fuse in, okay, to get it work. If you only put one on the top one, this one, then the system will work. The power will just go to this fuse and come out here. Will work, but then the cable right here will not work. So the cable right here need another fuse. Okay? So 1 fuse, 2 fuse. You need to put 2 fuse in there. 215. Okay? So I just want to noticing that in case if you only plug in the first one and then you said, hey, how come my cable does not come out any power? Well, they need another fuse. It's just one of those safety thingy. So I'll go ahead and put the link for the fuse too, in case if you want it. This one is the mini fuse that the 2012 Toyota Sienna used. Okay, so I just want to let you know that, so you don't get confused when you're buying this. So that's it. That's it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.